Today I'm going to share with you the progress that I've made on my elephant Lovey. So let's take a look at what we've got here because I had to put it away. I was working on it a little bit this morning and now this is what I have. So if you were watching the last videos that I put out, I showed you how to make the arms and the legs. And unfortunately, after that second leg, I had to stop because I needed to film how to join these legs together. And then I also went ahead and filmed how to crochet this tail, just as you're creating the body, so you don't have to sew it in later because it's such a small piece. I mean, why take that extra time if you could just do it now? So I'm at a point where this is not as tall or as long as I would like it to be compared to the original design, but I think it'll work. So the next thing for me to figure out is the placement of the arms. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I don't like to sew pieces together. So it's now for me to figure out the number of stitches that I have so that I can sew these in as I finish crocheting the body. And then if you watched my video on the redesign and the things that I wanted to change, you'll know that I wanted to crochet the head as one piece. So that's the next thing to figure out. This is just the quick update on where I am in this pattern so far. And at the time that I'm making this video, it's March 15th, 2024. So I hope to have this pattern finished by the end of the month. I don't know that I'll really be able to finish all that because I have to film extra tutorials for some of these things and then work on putting it all in a PDF. If you don't have a goal, you'll never get anything done, right? That's gonna be it for now. Thanks for watching. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna say, but can you just check the frame?
Yep, you're good. You just look weird.
What do you mean I look weird?
I need all actors on the set. You two chickadees to be quiet. Jimble. I said all actors on the set need to shush. Madam, I'm tuning outlet and we are off the air. Let me just, okay, and it's the big red button, right? Got it.